Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for easy and practical tech tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into Striven, an all-in-one business management software designed to streamline your operations from accounting and CRM to HR and project management. Whether you're a small business owner, a manager, or just exploring tools to make your workflow smoother, this video will guide you on how to get started and make the most out of Striven. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started with Striven. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Striven. Now, on the top corner, you have two options. You can log in using your credentials. But of course, the better option is to click the try it for free. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. All you have to do at this point is to choose a test drive system. You can choose from Core Business Edition, Professional Services Edition, Manufacturing, or even Field Services Edition. If you choose to enter the following, all you have to do is click the button here that says create your system. All right, and then what will happen is you will be forwarded here. Now, at this point, it's very important to skip this whole process because we're going to go to the main platform of Striven. On the top corner, you have the company, which serves as the central hub for all company-wide settings and information. The employee section gives you all the employee-related data and internal operations. All the while, the customers is a section for managing client relationships. Okay, the vendors is where you handle vendor profiles. You have the dashboard, contact list, and a lot more. Of course, the accounting is where you create the full financial management. The projects is essentially where you can organize and track business projects. Tasks is where you handle the management for individuals and teams. And the workflow is where you automate business processes. All right, it helps standardize and streamline repetitive tasks, while the report section gives you the engine for viewing and analyzing data. And the last section is going to be the links. It is a centralized area to store important links. Now, with that being said, we're going to go to the drop-down menu here wherein we want to make a landing page. Okay, so your landing page has been updated, and if you wanted to create a specific kind of dashboard, you can choose from any of the following drop-down menu. You have CEO, CFO, or just click the business overview, so you can have all of these. You can add your customers here by clicking the three dots icon. You can also add your tasks depending on your preferences. On the top corner, there is going to be a section for the dashboard if you wanted to customize the widget. And then there's going to be the plus button. For the plus button, this is where you want to add your employees via appointment, customer leads, accounting, check, and vendors. If you wanted to add, for example, a vendor, just click on the plus button. You can choose from any of the following. If you choose an individual, you will be forwarded. You just have to provide all the information needed for the vendor and then click on save. All right. Now, on the top is going to be the buzz, which is one of the handy tools for test drive here in Striven, because that would forward you to this, wherein if you want to add a new bus so that you can post matching the criteria and you can create from template. All right. For example, let's say this is going to be the title of our bus. Just copy that and then click the save button. Okay, now the chat button is if you wanted to chat with the other team members, to select a thread to read. These are going to be discussions, which is helpful if you are working in a collaborative environment. And of course, the Striven gives you all these sections. That is, you would easily notice that it's very intuitive and it's easy to use. And with that being said, and that wraps up our short dive of Striven. If you're looking for a cloud-based solution that simplifies your workflow without the headache of juggling multiple platforms, Striven is definitely worth considering. Again, it's intuitive, feature-rich, and customizable to fit your business needs. If this video helped you, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech and software tutorials every week. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next episode. Let me know in the comments, have you used Striven? What do you think? Or are you still exploring your options? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.